In this video, I am going to talk about probability mass function. Let us consider a random variable x with the range of the random variable x. It can be written as values x0, x1, x2 up to so on. A random variable x with a range random variable x with range Rx, x0, x1, x2, x3 up to so on. Now I have an event where random variable x equals to xi, where I equals to 0, 1, 2 up to so on. The event x equal to xi. We are going to apply probability on this event. This is called probability mass function. This can be written in short form as probability of xi. PMF, probability mass function, can be written as P of xi or probability of x equals to xi. So you can define it as the probability of an event x equal to xi is called probability mass function. We always apply the probability on the events. Here the event is x equal to xi. Let us see the example which we considered in the last video, that is on random variables. Toss a coin twice. In this, the possible outcomes are heads and heads, heads and tail, tail and heads, and tail and tail. The set of all the possible outcomes is sample space. So what is the event we considered? So counting number of heads. Counting number of heads. So counting number of heads, heads and heads, let us take from tail and tail. Let us go in the increasing order of value. Tail and tail. So the number of heads is 0. Heads, tail and heads. In this, in each outcome, the number of heads equals to 1, and the last outcome, heads and heads, the number of heads in this outcome 2. So for this experiment, the range of the random variable equals to 0, 1, 2, from 0 to 2. Now we have to find a probability mass functions for these values. Means I would like to find a probability of x equal to 0. This is the probability mass function at 0. So what is the probability of mass function x equal to 0? Probability mass function x equal to 0 is probability of tail and tail. So out of 4 possible outcomes, only one outcome is favor. So probability of x equal to 0 is nothing but probability of tail and tail, it is 1 by 4. Next, probability of x equals to 1, that is nothing but probability of heads and tail and heads. So out of 4 outcomes, 2 are favorable. So the probability mass function at x equals to 1 is 1 by 2. and probability of x equals to 2, this is nothing but probability of heads and heads only, 2 heads. So out of 4 combinations or outcomes, only one outcome is favorable, so it is 1 by 4. So probability of x equals to 0, probability of x equals to 1, probability of x equals to 2. These are all the probability mass functions. Let us plot this. So this is x and the values are 0, 1 and 2. So at x equal to 0, the probability mass function is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. And the probability at x equals to 1 is 1 by 2. And the probability at x equals to 2 is 1 by 4. And if you can see, the sum of the probabilities is equals to 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, it is 4 by 4, it is 1. So here the y axis is probability of capital X equals to small xi. So this is about probability mass function. Thank you.